Howdy, here's a little video from your friendly handyman. So today, had to repair this cabinet right here. It got ripped out of the hinges. So I had to repair the wood first. So I used this patching compound for wood. You can get it. It's made by DAP, but it's weatherproof. And it works really good for to repair wood, so you don't have to make a new drawer. And pretty much this hinge, you just lay it flat down, just like this, and you put them where you want. And you just add the screws. So I got the screws right here. About the hinges at the hardware store. And I'll just be showing you a quick demonstration of how to put those. You just put them in the desire you want them. There goes one. The other one. I need one more screw. Yeah, here goes the other one. You can measure them out if you like to. I just do it this way, and I just put it where I need to. There goes the other one. It just installed, just like that. Recap: repair the rotten wood with the DAP. Just smear it on there, let it dry overnight, sand it down, put it there, and your cabinet will be prepared and ready. You just put it where you need it and put the screws in. Till next time, peace out from your friendly handyman. You like videos like this, like and subscribe.